So let's unbox this 5000 mAh fast charging power bank with detachable batteries from GojoDock. Ito naman yung pinaka-itsura ng power bank niya, and it also comes with a GojoDock lanyard, short USB-C cable for input and output charging, and ito naman yung kanyang rechargeable na batteries. And pwede pa kayo bumili ng spare nito for only 200 plus lang. Madali lang siyang gamitin. Kailangan mo lang kunin yung battery, i-open mo yung power bank, tingnan mo yung positive and negative side, ipasok mo yung battery, and then close mo, and you're good to go. Pwede mo siya gamitin for USB-C or Lightning interface na devices. Nandito naman yung kanyang USB-C port for input and output charging ng power bank mismo. And kapag nalobat na yung unang battery, madali lang siyang palitan. Just remove the battery and replace it with another one, and you're good to go again. Ngayon, subukan naman natin kung gumagana ba yung kanyang PD or power delivery fast charging. First step, ilagay muna natin yung battery sa ating power bank, and then i-close natin. Then, buksan natin yung USB-C port and saksak natin sa device, and it will start charging. After connecting it to your device, dapat may lalabas dyan na fast charging or may green light indicator for PD fast charging. If you're interested, just click the yellow basket down below.